All growing Shopify stores are waking up to something. Today, to have a real connection with your audience, you need a mobile app. And the great thing is, there's a huge market of Shopify mobile app builders that let Shopify stores go live with their own native app without having to dedicate a ton of time, money, and effort into development. But with so many tools available, how do you pick the right one? Here's a simple checklist of questions to run through to make sure you pick the right Shopify app development tool for your brand. First, how well does your app sync with your store? You don't need another storefront to manage, and your team probably has their hands fully managing one. Yet, with a lot of app builders, that's what you get. Every time you update a product, change your homepage, or run a promotion, you have to do it twice. The ideal app builder is one where you update your site and your app updates too. Second, how much work is it to set up? Some builders hand you a dashboard and a login and expect you to configure everything yourself. Screens, navigation, design, checkout flow, it's no code, but it's still a project. If you're a growing brand, you probably don't have weeks to spend tweaking your app and trying to get it publish worthy. Ask yourself, is this a tool I have to learn, or is this something that just works? Third, what does your app actually look like? A lot of no-code tools make it easy to launch, but easy comes with limitations. The result is a simplified version of your store, a template with limited customization. It's fine, but it doesn't feel like your brand anymore. Your app should look and feel like your website, the one you've already spent time perfecting. So, what checks all of these boxes? MobiLoud syncs with your Shopify store automatically. There's no configuration required on your end, no duplicate work, and we handle the build, the design, and the App Store submissions. Your app looks exactly like your website because it is your website, converted into a native app. And everything's included. Push notifications, analytics, ongoing updates, maintenance, all the tools and apps and integrations that you use on your site carry over guaranteed. If you're looking for a Shopify mobile app builder, it's important to take your time to choose the right fit for your business. You need an app builder that can grow with your brand and lets you launch an app that adds value to your business, not extra work. MobiLoud is the first place you should look. So go to MobiLoud.com to get a free preview and see what's possible.